Ollie's. It's called Ollie. What car? Let him hit me. I need insurance money. Ollie's. Don't get hit by the cars, my wife says. And this is what's included in the box. You got the drone, you got the controller, and then you have some extra fan blades and the power cord. Now this one requires 2 AA batteries, not included. I bought it there at Ollie's for $1.99. Okay, so the whole thing together was about 40 bucks, 45 with tax. And this is what it looks like folded. Trying to do this one-handed. There we go. Pretty cool. Just to give you an idea, this is the drone in my hand, so you can see the size more or less. I would say it's not real small. It's not like a mini drone. It's a medium-sized drone. It's not heavy enough that I don't think you have to do the FAA thing and get the license. You can just fly this. It won't cause too much damage, and people won't see it in the air too much either. Here's the box on the back side, and you can get the app on the Google Play or app. To be used by newbies and beginners, this drone does not contain specifications of an expert level drone, which I don't agree with sometimes, because you know, the GPS, like I have a GPS drone, and that one is actually easier to fly than this one that's just Wi-Fi. Because the GPS, well, you can send it up in the air and it'll stay there. It won't move. It'll freeze there because of the GPS. Even if it's windy, it stays. But this one, if it's windy outside, you can't really fly it. It's going to take off on you. You're going to lose it. So you got to fly this one when there's not a lot of wind outside. I think it's kind of reversed. This is more of a expert drone, but they call it a beginner drone to try to use it as a selling point. This one's called a Vista Tech, by the way. Excuse my mess in the background, but it is rechargeable. Okay. And to let you know, you can see the blades here. That's for, you know, for the beginners. If you hit the wall or a tree or a phone line or something, it'll bounce off and the blades won't mess up. You see? I don't have it on mine, and I'd rather not, because honestly it weighs more. Even though these are very light, it weighs more and your battery time will be less in the air, if that makes sense. And this is the drone with the lights on. Once you click that button, this happens there. There's your bright LED lights, 2 of them in the front, a red one in the back, so when it's flying, if you see the red, it's away from you. If it turns around, you know, it's in front of you. This one does say, though, it is headless, so we're gonna have to test that. And here are the guards if I want to put them on. They would go right there. I would screw them on. And here's the charging port, and they give you 2 extra blades in case you mess up the blades, which is pretty good. This is some of the video from the drone. I could not get the app. Didn't work. Outdated. So this is solely from the SD card. Very choppy. You know, it's not the best drone for the price. But hey, it works. The colors are pretty vibrant. I was happy with the colors, but of course it's not like a mini Mavic where you can change the brightness of it. How are you? You got it? So what happened here is I got my bigger drone, my ProMark Shadow drone. It's a bigger drone because what happened is I got my this one, the Vista Tech drone got stuck up on the roof of my apartment. And so I thought I would be smart, and I thought I was good enough that I can get my GPS drone and get it. I put a hanger on the bottom of it, and I was trying to scoot it to the edge. If you can see, it's right there. And so what happened was, when it hit, the drone went backwards and got stuck on the other side of the building. So now I've got two drones stuck up on the roof. I have that Vista Tech that was $45, and then my Shadow ProMark drone that's worth about $200. So I'm pretty pissed right now. It's funny. And that's what happens. Drone life, I guess, right? There it goes. I lost it.
See Wendy.
Dang it.
Oh my god.
And there it is. Stuck on the other side.
Getting it over.